Four seasons, 四季。There are 4 seasons in a year. There are spring, summer, fall and winter. There are, 这里的 there 没有实际意义，它和 be 动词 are 构成 there be 句型，意为有。而这里的 they are 看清它们的书写区别，意思是它们是。Spring is in March, April and May. It's green. It's rainy and warm in spring. 表达月份的名词作为专有名词首字母大写，在季节面前要与介词 in 连用。Summer is in June, July and August. It's hot. We can go swimming in summer. Go swimming, go 加上某些动词的现在分词形式，表示去做某件事情。Fall is in September, October and November. It's cool.I like fall very much. Winter is in December, January, and February. I don't like winter. It's very cold. I like 我喜欢。那表示否定，像这样含有实义动词的主语非单三，我们要用 don't 来帮忙。觉得文章有用，记得收藏点亮心。